third thing is negative self-talk. Oh my word. This thing in here can shape your whole life. Whatever you repeatedly tell yourself, it becomes true. You cannot expect to rebuild your confidence if you are just going on and on and on with this negative self-talk. I like to do something that I call turn your butt around. You may say, I'm having trouble with this and I cannot do it. I never really do anything right. But until we become aware of that and we turn our butt around, and you put a but at the end of that B-U-T, not the other word, at the end of that sentence, that gives you an opportunity to neutralize it and do a U-turn and go in the other direction.